very nature, humans discover, disrupt, innovate. Our ability to learn from one another, integrating and building upon ideas that came before, makes our present world what it is, a place once considered unimaginable. As we discover powerful possibilities, we will continue to see exponential leaps in technology with silicon at the heart of it all. Today, silicon feeds a $574 billion industry that powers a global tech economy worth about $8 trillion. This is the Siliconomy, a rising era of global expansion in which computing promises greater opportunities and a brighter future for every person on the planet. Every sector of the global economy, from healthcare to education, to manufacturing, government, businesses, and more, is now touched by the Siliconomy, a market that is expected to reach $1 trillion by 2030. It represents a future enabled by the magic of silicon, where semiconductors are essential to everyday life. The automotive, computation and data storage, and wireless industries are projected to drive 77% of the total semiconductor market by 2030. Artificial intelligence is also fueling the Siliconomy. In fact, AI-related chips could drive 20% of semiconductor demand by 2025. At Intel, we cultivate a thriving Siliconomy. We design and build a limitless, more sustainable, open, and more secure supply of processing power for everyone on Earth. The Siliconomy is thriving everywhere we look. It's inside everything we see. And like the silicon processor that makes it all possible, it all starts with Intel.